We have a special occasion this summer, and I had to buy some Fedora hats for me and my buddy. And we're going, if some of you are quite attuned to what these color may be, you might know exactly what we're kind of dressing up as. But look at this. I found these clearly on Amazon, and I was quite surprised. I expected not. I didn't expect them to be such high quality, and they do fit really, really nice. They're a wide brim fedora type hat. I love the fact that they do come with kind of that protective thing. So when it's being shipped, or even if you transport it or travel with it, which we will be traveling with them, it kind of protects it like that. And it also has inside, which is new to me. My wife knew all about this, but I didn't. You can actually tighten it. And if you've got a smaller head and if it doesn't fit, you can actually tighten and predetermine how tight you want that hat to fit. Really, really pretty. Felt material, really nice. Got a really nice buckle. Like I said, you could shape it. You could do a bunch of different things. I'm surprised. I'm not even a hat person, and I'm kind of like digging this. It's cool.